So let's say Dan wants to create a new feature. So we know we're going to do git flow, feature, start, and we give the feature a name. So let's call this authenticate. So we've created our feature branch. This is just created locally. So we want to be able to publish this. So to do that, we know we're going to do git flow feature publish, and we're going to publish the authenticate branch. And publishing is going to push this branch to the origin. So if I go back to GitHub and refresh and look at the branches, then sure enough, we can see we have our feature authenticate branch there. And notice we still have our release branch there as well. We never deleted the release sprint 1 release branch. So we have two branches, and in fact, we also have the develop branch. So we have 4 branches on GitHub that we could be building. If I go back to TeamCity, I've pushed this feature branch, but no build is going to happen. TeamCity is completely unaware of the feature branch. It only knows about the master branch. So if we'd like TeamCity to build the master branch for us and the develop branch for us and any feature branches and any release branches and any hotfix branches, then we can configure TeamCity to do that. So to configure TeamCity, I go back to the administration portal. I pick git flow and I'm going to edit that. I go to its VCS root and I edit that. And then here we have this branch specification. And inside the branch specification, I can tell TeamCity to build a specific set of branches. So here I'm going to say I want it to build develop, any feature branch, any hotfix branch, master, any release branch, and any support branch. Support's a feature of git flow that we haven't looked at. It's still in development. So if I save this, we're now telling TeamCity to build all of these branches for me. If I go back to the projects page and select run here to run the build, this will kick off a build explicitly at this point. And here we've built the master branch. So let's go and make a change to our feature branch. So if I do a git status here, I've made a change, so I do a git commit and I do a push. Flip back to TeamCity and we can see now TeamCity is building the authenticate branch for me. And again, on the authenticate branch, the tests have passed. And we can see here the list of active branches. This is the branch that TeamCity thinks are currently active and the branches it needs to build. So as I make changes, if I now finish the feature and those changes get pushed to develop and I save the develop branch, that will get built as well. So TeamCity is able to monitor and build separately all the branches that we're currently using within Git, in this case within GitHub. So if I do git flow feature finish authenticate and do a git push all to origin, and monitor TeamCity again, we see now that we got to build develop. So when we did the finish, that pushed the changes into the develop branch, merged into the develop branch. So the develop branch has been built. So it monitors the branches and it builds them when it needs to build.